Welcome. I am the FX Savant, and in today's video, we have another Confessions of a Trader, Episode 2. Yes, you see the lights? Rock it. Today's topic is FOMO, fear of missing out. A lot of traders struggle with this, especially new traders, and it only comes down to a few things. And I think I've gotten a broad sense of maybe 3 of the big things on why you're experiencing FOMO. So number 1 is that one trade is not enough. And what I mean by this is it's in profit. You don't want to let it go because you think it may go on and give you more profit. One trade is not enough. You're going to have to make multiple trades. You get this one trade and you think, all right, it goes into profit, goes into good profit. You're holding it, goes into more profit, then starts to come back. Maybe it's just a retracement. No, it comes all the way back to your entry. Maybe even comes all the way back to your stop loss. It you and stops you out. And now you're like, dang, I had a good trade. Now you're thinking, I did have a lot of profit. I should have, I could have, I would have. You're thinking of all these scenarios when in fact the matter is you're going to have to make multiple trades. That's why it's trading. It's not the lottery. It's not gambling. It's not luck. So have that in mind. First point, one trade is not enough. Point number 2 is just that you haven't clearly back tested your strategy enough to know percentages and likelihood that your trades and trade setups will actually play out in your favor. You don't have proper risk to reward factored in. You don't have times that you take the trades that you will miss, the trades that you won't take. You're just not factoring in everything that you need to know about your strategy. You're going to be having the FOMO experiencing maybe that you should be taking a trade. You lose a trade on one pair, you should go to the next pair and move to the next pair and the next pair, the next pair, and always be in the market. But your strategy may not be set up for that. You need to really understand your strategy. And once you do, you'll eliminate FOMO because you'll understand that, hey, yes, I'm missing opportunities, but I know that I will have more opportunities coming in the future, which I always say, there will always be another trade. If you keep that in mind, this should help you eliminate some of your FOMO, but keeping that in mind will help you eliminate some of your FOMO. Well, it will.
That
help you eliminate FOMO, the fear of missing out. You won't be missing out because you know that you're already going to be missing out. Every minute, every second, there's a trade set up. I know. Every minute, every second, there's a trade set up on a different strategy, on the same strategies. Just the market's constantly moving and changing. So I always know that there's going to be an opportunity. That's what the market provides. Just plentiful opportunities. I know that my strategy not only works in the Forex market, it works in the crypto market, it works in the indices market, commodities market, it works in futures market, it works in everything because it's a market-based strategy. So I understand that, yes, I can go to sleep for 8 hours. I will be missing opportunities, but I know when I wake up, there will also be more opportunities coming and I may lose a trade, but I still know that I'm going to have to take another trade because there's more opportunities coming because my strategy provides that. You need to know the same thing, which also leads us into point number 3, which is you don't have enough experience. That's basically what I'm giving you right here is the experience part of it, is knowing that there will always be another opportunity, or knowing that, hey, my strategy works in London session only or New York session only, or my strategy doesn't work in Asian session, or my strategy works in all sessions, or my strategy doesn't work on holding trades over the weekend. You just don't have the experience to know the type of situations or scenarios that the market provides, the things that can happen. So once you get all 3 of these things down, which is realizing that one trade is not enough, you understand your strategy and you get the experience, which that's different for everyone, you will start to realize that FOMO is nothing to have or be scared of. You're missing out on opportunities daily, not in the market. There's other opportunities outside of trading that you're missing. Are you worried about those? No, because you know that you're missing them. Now, if you know how to execute and attack them and go about them, that's a different story. If you're missing out because you're not taking action, that can provide FOMO that you can't cure if you're scared to take trades, but you just have to get used to taking trades, which is the experience part. You have to be able to click that buy or sell button. You have to be able to risk a certain amount regardless of the situation. If you are in drawdown on your account, can you take that 5th trade? You're 4% in drawdown. Are you going to risk another 1%, 0.5%? You're going to watch the opportunity go by because you're scared. This one may not be it. I want to wait for the best one. I don't want to miss the best one. You miss 2 trades, you skip 2 trades, those 2 hit take profit, you take the next one and it goes to your stop loss. Now you're down 5 5%. Are you able to take the next one? Do you have the fear of missing out because you're scared to pull the trigger? That's a whole different story. Point number one trade is not enough. This will help you eliminate the fear of missing out. One trade is not going to make you to where you can retire. One trade is not going to win you the lottery. You're going to have to make another trade regardless whether you win or lose. Point number two, you don't understand your strategy. You need to really understand your strategy. Point number three is you need to get the experience. So you just need to actively be in the market, whether demo or live, doesn't matter. You just need to be experienced in this market to understand, hey, I maybe need to stay awake on this trade until I can move my stop to break even, because things can happen in the market. News is coming out. I need to look at the news. But yeah, that's really it. Quick update today at 5:10. I'll send you the screenshot. But selling GBP NZD, we have a nice move going on, a little nice sell action. So yeah, you're selling GBP NZD. Hopefully it goes well. Probably be moving stops to break even here soon. On that one, a nice little 3.2 risk to reward. But other than that, I hope you have a positive day on and off the charts. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, drop a comment if you're struggling with anything you'd like me to talk about or you'd like me to make a video on. I'd be more than happy to. I hope you enjoyed this second episode of Confessions of a Trader. And until next time, I'll holla at y'all.